Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a braised chicken drumsticks. I normally try to buy organic free-range chicken drumsticks which have no antibiotics and are relatively healthier and taste better. First, let's prepare drumsticks. Add some salt, wheat flour, and a little water to drumsticks. Rub and massage each one to clean out blood and smells of them. Then rinse with running water to fully clean them. Make some shallow cuts along the drumsticks so it is easier for flavors to get in. Now set aside into a bowl. Cut ginger into fine strips and the green onions into small segments. Then add into the bowl. Now add in salt, sugar, cooking wine, I use Japanese sake here, soy sauce, black pepper powder, and then fully mix them up before sealing it, setting aside in the refrigerator and marinating for 30 minutes. Now, prepare spices. Cut ginger into slices and green onion into small segments and set aside. Put in star anises, Sichuan peppercorns, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, and set aside. Now, in another mixing bowl, add in soy sauce, oyster sauce, Japanese sake, black pepper powder, and mix them up. When drumsticks are marinated for 30 minutes, remove the spices off them and put them into a clean plate. So by now, you should have 4 things ready. A plate of marinated drumsticks, a bowl of sliced ginger and green onions, and a small plate of Sichuan peppercorns, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, and a sauce bowl of soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking wine, and black pepper powder. Now it's cooking time. First, heat oil in a wok over medium heat and shake the wok in a way so oil is coating the whole inner surface of the wok. Put in marinated chicken drumsticks one by one. Shake or move them so they are not sticking to the wok. When one side is golden brown, turn them over to cook the other side with a pair of chopsticks. Make sure the wok is over medium-low heat so the chicken drumsticks keep their shape while gaining golden brown color. This step may take 5 to 8 minutes. Dish out and set aside. Now, top up some oil in the wok and put in ginger and green onions for a minute, followed by adding the spice bowl and stir fry for another minute. Then pour in the mixed sauce and bring to boil on high heat. Now add in seared chicken drumsticks and fully mix them up. Add in boiling water to cover up all drumsticks. Do not use cold water as it will instantly shrink drumsticks and make them hard and less tasty. Now, turn down the heat to medium-low and stew for 30 minutes. When time's up, remove all the spices residue from the soup and then turn to high heat and thicken the soup through evaporation. Now, with a clean knife and a chopboard, chop some fine pieces of green onions. When the soup boiling largely shrinks and the drumsticks turn golden brown color, dish them out. Spray some fresh cut green onions. Now enjoy the braised chicken drumsticks. Please let me know how you think about this simple recipe in the comment below. And thanks for watching Luke Cookbook. See you next time.